Welcome guys to another behind the scenes video. Here I'm shooting with my 24-70 in the villa, as I want to start off with just getting that nice kind of focal range, just so I don't have to keep switching. It was ridiculously hot at this point, so I'm just trying to minimize the workload and just get the 24-70, as it is a very nice contrasty lens, and I just wanted to get some nice images throughout the focal length with the tree in the background. She has some nice kind of flowing white pants on the white railing with the nice vivid green backdrop of the tree. Just a quick note, we will be heading back to Thailand at the end of the year with an incredible model lineup, professional models, to get that nice content that you've been waiting to get in their most amazing resort that we stayed in last time, which you'll see in the future videos. It's incredible, with some amazing amenities there as well. If you want to check that out, I have some incredible workshops going on in Thailand as well. So shoot some cinematics, how to shoot and pose models, and posting recommendations as well for your photography social media. If you want to check that out in the description below, and let me know which one of the events that you want to come on, and let's elevate our content together. And of course I had to switch it up with the 135, one of my favorite telephoto lengths. The background blur is just a bokeh, it's just amazing. Buttery smooth, nice isolation. Like, this is the shot in the carousel that you would put first, because it's I call it the money shot, in terms of your subject is the main character here, so you'd put that first, a nice striking shot, to then you can put the rest of the carousel, the wider shots, the mids, after that, to kind of paint the story within your carousel. But the money shot you're definitely going to get with the 135 or any similar length of a focal length. I can feel them. I can feel them. Alright, let's go. Yeah, it's the perfect time. Because it's cool enough for them not to die. That's why. Oh, that's a good pose. Stay there.